At nagbabalik na po ang programang Patok, May Oportunidad sa Bawat Katok. At kami po inyong katok ngayong hapon. Ako si ka-partner Wella.
At ako naman po si ka-partner Jillian.
At syempre, mayroon kaming isang panauhin na naman na espesyal. Ang sabi dito, Heart of Authentic Hospitality. Paano ba maging puso? Tunay na may malasakit. Ayan, sino ba yan? Ka-partner Jillian.
Mga ka-partners, sa likod ng bawat world-class hotel ay may isang team na hindi lang magaling, kundi may tunay na malasakit sa empleyado, sa negosyo at sa bawat guest. Ang panauhin namin ngayong araw ay hindi lang HR expert. She's also a visionary in business development na may mahigit 20 taon ng karanasan sa marketing at sa hospitality. Mula sa disiplina ng isang military family hanggang sa husay ng isang single parent leader, she has gracefully turned challenges into powerful leadership fuel. Ayan, ngayong araw bitbit niya ang puso ng authentic hospitality na siyang lifeblood ng Approach Hospitality. Ayan, let's all welcome mga ka-partners. Walang iba kundi si ka-partner Epi Legaspi, ang Heart of Authentic Hospitality ng Approach Hospitality. Ayan, magandang hapon po
Welcome
sa
po
inyo
sa Patok.
ka-partner.
Magandang hapon mga ka-partners.
Baka meron kayong gustong batiin bago tayo pumasok sa ating Q&A portion.
Sige, so shout out sa akin sa family and friends and of course yung mga kasama ko sa Approach Hospitality. Hope everyone is doing well.
Ayan,
Wow.
so, eto pag-usapan natin kasi na-curious ako, ano ba tong Approach?
Ang Approach Hospitality, ma'am, is a property management company. So what we offer is our services, no, from full management, kasama ang executive search, ang recruitment, ang F&B. So anything about operating a hotel, that's what we offer po sa Approach.
Ang galing. Bakit Approach?
It came
Social.
from social lang siya, ma'am. Social siya ng word na approach, pero it came from a French word, parang coming near. So going through the heart of the hospitality.
Okay, yun pala yun.
Opo.
Merci beaucoup. So, itong hospitality management, ano ba yung kailangang karakter na mga nandito sa
Well,
industry ito?
Sa industriya kasi talaga man kailangan sincere kaya and authentic, no, yung malasakit mo, not only sa tao but sa guest. Sa amin sa approach, ang focus namin is to be employee-centric or employee-focused. Kasi when the employees are happy, it obviously will translate or resonate to the guest.
Yes,
So
of
talagang
course.
kailangan maging masaya, maging well-equipped ang ating mga empleyado para mas matugunan nila or maibigay nila yung sincere and authentic na hospitality.
Dapat
Kasi nga,
talaga
di ba si
totoo.
Ma'am, Director ng HR and Business Development. So, any tips para sa people management?
Sa people management, naniniwala po kasi ako personally na iba-iba, no, ang pag-manage ng mga tao. So you have to have a good personal relationship also with them para you know paano nyo sila mamamanage. Kasi ang pag-manage sa isang manager ng housekeeping is different sa pag-manage mo sa isang manager for F&B because they have different personalities, they're unique. But when you have a good relationship with them, mas malalaman mo paano ba sila natututo, ano yung mga pinagdadaanan nila, ano yung way para mas makinig sila, mas mag-learn sila sa'yo. Kasi merong iba, they learn through reading, yung iba, they learn to watching, yung iba, they learn through hearing lang, yung iba, they want to see it in actual.
Demo.
Yes, so when you know paano
Yun yung
sila,
gusto ko.
di ba po? Yan, kunwari kayo po, tapos si ma'am is iba rin yung way of
Gusto ko demo or
learning niya.
visual. Ganun.
Yon, so kung siya visual learner, you manage him or her visually. Diba? Tapos kung yung isa medyo tahimik, medyo
Ibang approach din
introvert siya,
yun.
so iba rin ang approach. So maganda talaga if you have a good relationship with your people. Kasi
Sa haba ng years mo dyan sa management, ano yung parang natutunan mo noon and then ngayon, ano may mga changes ba? Nag-evolve
marami,
ba?
ma'am.
Oo.
From being an employee, no, syempre iba yung mindset mo noon. Ako, mindset ko noon was, I'll give all my best sa work. Noong nagkaroon na kami ng negosyo with my shareholders or my partners sa approach, yung mind shift namin, hindi lang all about working and giving your best. It's also taking care of the company, taking care of the owners, and then taking care of your employees. So, mas lumawak siya.
Mas madaming
Oo.
responsibilidad.
Kaya po yung mga owners namin ng mga properties that we handle or we manage, we treat them also as our business. We treat them as our business partner, as our family, and we treat their business as our own business also. Hindi yung dahil kumikita sila, okay na kami, petics na. Hindi pwedeng ganon. Kailangan we treat them na as if sa amin talaga yun.
Oo. So, sa dami ng owners, 8 ba sabi mo, ma'am?
8 sila
Oo.
ngayon, ma'am.
Paano hinahati yung roles and responsibilities?
Technically po kasi meron kaming mga naka-assign naman na team per property. So meron kaming GM or OM per property, depende sa laki ng property. Then may sarili silang team. So kami po sa corporate office ng Approach, we touch base with them on a monthly basis sa Mancom. Tapos yung day-to-day na mga kailangan nila na mga support, we give that to them. Hindi naman kailangan physically. Thanks to technology and thanks to the pandemic, na-realize natin that we can always
Pwede
connect,
naman pala
diba?
mag-meeting kahit online.
Correct. So, mas napadali na kahit paano yung trabaho naming lahat, no? So, and I think it's also a plus na dahil lahat kami nasa isang industriya for such a long time, nagagamay na rin namin yung isa't isa. At kung ano yung parang na-anticipate na namin kung ano yung mga kailangan ng mga properties namin. Hindi pa man siya nangyayari.
Ano po yung mga traits po na hinahanap po ninyo sa hospitality talents?
Ako as HR, I
Oo.
always tell this na I don't really need someone who graduated cum laude, magna cum laude. Importante for me is yung behavior.
Yes.
Kasi if the person is open to learnings, yung hindi niya pwedeng sabihin, alam ko na yan, o di, syempre, ikaw na yung magaling, di ba? Mas mahirap po kasing turuan yung mga ayaw matuto.
Yes.
So, nandun ako sa, may magandang puso ka, hardworking ka, open ka to new learnings, you're hungry, no, for new learnings. Mas gusto ko silang i-train or mas gusto ko silang kunin because alam mo na yung gagawin nila is laging galing sa puso.
Yes.
Kaya not naman favorable, pero mas ini-encourage kong i-hire yung mga naging working students, yung mga breadwinners, and fresh grads. Kasi fresh grads, ina-absorb pa lang nila lahat yan, mami.
Hungry sa learning.
Yes.
Tama.
Kaysa yung mga parang know-it-all na.
Oo.
Hindi mo pwedeng pagsabihan niya, uy, maliit ng
True.
ginawa mo.
Pero syempre, at the end of the day, yung managers mo, head of the properties mo, dapat, they have that, that tenure sa business para hindi rin kami mahirapan from corp na tutok ka doon. Para sila, they also get a chance to grow in their own, no, in their own, parang environment, yung sa kanilang karera,
field
sa
nila.
kanilang professional na buhay. So, yun po that's how we take a look at who we hire, ano yung mas
Yes.
importanteng i-hire. For as long as we have good leaders sa taas, yung sa
Downline.
rank and files natin, supervisors, I think a good behavior is already a plus for us.
Isa na siyang double check.
Yes. Oo.
Ano yung mga ino-offer niyo ng mga services?
Right now, ma'am, it's really full hospitality, full hotel operations, no? Pero we can also offer or help the owners of the hotels na buksan yung mga
Consultation, mga
oo,
ganon.
for technical services. Kung kunyari magpapatayo ka pa lang, nasa isip mo pa lang. So from design to hanggang bago kayo mag-open, we can help you on that. When you open, until habang nag-open kayo, nandun din kami. Pati F&B, hindi lang actually
Ang
hotel.
lahat.
So if you have a restaurant also na pwedeng, na kailangan nyo ng tulong namin, ng consultancy namin, we can also offer our services.
Ang dami.
So, hindi kami nagfo-focus sa, gusto lang namin mga high-rise buildings. From boutique hotels, from resorts, from wellness resorts, we take on, as long as kailangan ng tulong ng mga owners.
Paano yung process sa inyo pag nagko-consult online ba? Kailangan pwede walk-in?
We visit as much as possible kasi iba pa rin pagka nandun ka on-site,
Opo.
di ba? So, depende dun sa need ng owner ng ng property kung mas workable ba to do online, kung mas workable ba to have on-site. Pero we do hybrid naman.
Ito, konting ano lang ka-partner, nabanggit kanina na pinalaki po kayo ng isang single
yes.
parent. Ayan, medyo personal, no?
Ako yung single parent,
Ay,
ma'am.
kayo po ay isang single parent. Ano po
Yes.
yung advice po ninyo dun sa mga single parent po na gusto rin po magkaroon ng career or yung makapag-start po ng negosyo, especially sa hospitality?
I think ang pinaka-importante is you believe in what you do, you believe in your capabilities. No? If yung passion ninyo is really in hospitality, then go for it for whatever facet of hospitality. May it be operations, front office, housekeeping, or like me in HR. Kasi if you don't believe that kaya mo, hindi mo masisimulan yung first step mo. Eh. It's just, eto pong ginagawa namin, it's just a leap of faith. Na parang, sige, let's start doing this kasi if we don't do this now, kailan pa natin siya gagawin? Diba? So, wag lang ho kayo matakot. And of course, not being so religious, you always put your trust, of course, in the Lord. Na ito yung guidance na ibibigay niya sa'yo if you do your own business.
Meron
Yun.
tayong question dito sa YouTube kay Arnie ng Kanyogan, Pasig. Paano kayo naghahanda para sa peak seasons?
For
O bigla ang dagsa ng mga
ng mga
client?
clients. Well, since may lean season and peak season tayo, so yung lean season, usually we prepare the property. So, nandiyan yung mga maintenance na natin, kailangan mo nang ihanda. And then, there comes in also training of the people. No, so, we know naman that in the hospitality industry that June, July, August, usually yan yung medyo lean season. So, yan yung time kung saan din kami nagtitraining. Nag-source na rin kami in terms of people na kailangan namin for the burr months until mag-summer. So,
How about inventory, ma'am?
inventory, nandiyan na rin naman yan, mami. Kasi if you have an F&B or if you have a restaurant in the hotel, alam mo naman na yung timing. Eh. So, pag pumasok, you just have to have your par stocks. No? And coordination lang talaga between everyone. And of course, there's always that beautiful side of planning ahead. Since you know naman when the lean season is, when the peak season is,
Expected
obviously,
mo na.
hindi ka magpla-plan for September ng August lang or on September itself. You plan starting of
Ahead.
June, starting of July, this is our timing, ganyan. And alam din naman natin na lean season usually starts June or July. So nagpe-prepare na rin tayo
Tag-ulan.
for tag-ulan. Kasi right now like we have PR tie-ups, no? So yung PR usually mag-kick in lang yan siguro a month or two after. So, since magbo-burr months na, we have mga familiarization tours sa mga properties na we think na kailangan nila talaga ng familiarization tour. Para pagdating ng September, labas na lahat ng PR materials. So, mag-iingay na ulit
Ready
yung
na.
property. Yes.
Ilan na yung properties niyo ngayon, ma'am?
Right now, ma'am, we have 8. We just opened one in Nagcarlan, Laguna ng August 1.
Puro ba ito mga resort, hotels?
Yes, ma'am. Oo. So we have 2 hotels under the Santa Lucia group. So one is in Bawan, Batangas, si Soto Grande Hotel and Convention Center. We have one in Lipa, si Likha Wellness. So more of wellness naman siya.
Ano para may spa?
May spa,
Naku.
meron silang mga drip, meron silang sound bath.
Sarap niyan.
So wellness talaga siya. Then we have one in Lian, Batangas, si Tana Beach Villas is
Nasa
also a
south
luxury
pala, no?
villa. The Shepherd Ridge Mountain Resort is in Santa Maria, Laguna. It's more adventure naman kasi nasa gitna siya ng dalawang mountain. So may zipline, pang team building.
Wow.
Maganda siya. Tapos we have in Romblon.
Oo.
Si Horizon Hotel in Romblon. Nasa top of the hill siya. Ang
So, puro mga secluded areas?
Yes. Opo.
Sarap.
Yung mga untap pa talaga. Kasi Romblon, ma'am, we had our familiarization tour in June. So, June, sobrang ganda niya. It's like the Virgin Island of Boracay before it became
Wow.
commercialized.
Wow.
Sana noon pa tayo nagkakilala. Para nakasama kami.
Oh, we have two more, si Monaco
Kasi in
and
this
Rizal.
world na sobrang digital na.
Oo.
Kailangan mo
Kailangan mo rin
Back to nature.
Diba? Hindi ka mag-charge sa social media and
True,
everything,
ma'am.
mag-connect ka sa nature.
Oo. We're opening two more, ma'am, actually this year, no. Si the one in Tagaytay, and the last one will be in El Nido.
Wow.
Wow.
El Nido.
Ayun.
Kailangan ng airplane. Kumusta naman yung parang customer service inyo? Paano yung parang guidelines inyo dyan?
We have trainings kasi on customer service in hospitality excellence. So iba-iba kasi rin siya, ma'am. Like for example, si Tana Beach Villas in Batangas, in Lian, Batangas, and Silikha in Lipa, we do the butler service. So mas personalized siya. Yan,
Social.
yes.
Oo.
Kasi high-end
Parang
siya, ma'am.
royal. Luxury talaga siya.
Luxury kasi talaga siya. So the rest naman like si Monaco in Rizal, si Tribute sa Quezon City, sila Romblon, and the ones in Batangas or your usual hotel guest services naman.
Gusto ko matry yung may butler. Parang very royal.
Malakas makasosyal.
Oo, di ba?
Shalan talaga.
Kumusta naman yung feedback ng inyong mga clients?
So far, we're very happy
Yung
naman
parang
with the
pinaka-top
partnership.
1 na hindi mo makalimutan.
Top 1, lahat naman, ma'am. Wala siguro akong top. Pero I think it affirms lang because the first hotel that we signed up, which is Romblon, is still with us. So we're running 2 years with them. And the rest also, I think they're happy because nag-earn naman sila. Actually, one or two properties, ma'am, parang nahirapan sila mag-open. They tried, hindi. And then when they asked for our assistance, our help, we came in and then opened it within the month. So this year, naka-hit na sila ng millions.
Wow.
Ang galing.
Ito ko partner with AHM expanding this year po, no? Ano po yung biggest lesson na gusto nyo pong ibahagi sa ibang gusto ring lumago po yung kanilang business?
If you want to take on a business, take on something that you love doing. That's number 1. Para hindi mo siya tignan as work. No, number 2, don't be afraid talaga. If marami dyan, if feeling nyo nahihirapan kayo, part naman siya ng journey. Kasi kung hindi kayo mahihirapan, parang what's the joy of being successful if hindi mo pinagdaanan yung parang ang corny naman ng kwento mo na parang ay hindi dali lang yan kasi ganito, di ba? Especially for us na startup. We don't compare na ourselves with other property management companies. What we do is just to focus on. So I think for aspiring business people, businessmen, you also have to focus. Wag na kayo mag-compare kasi baka madidistract kayo, mawawala kayo ng focus, and hindi nyo kasi alam na may blessings na kayo sa harap ninyo. The fact that you stood up on your own and created your own company, that's a blessing na. And when you have if you have clients coming in, that's another blessing. So pag nag-lose ka ng focus and if you don't be grounded, medyo madidiskaril ka. So it's really important for us to stay focused and to stay grounded.
Ayun. Stay focused and stay grounded, mga kapartner. Tandaan ninyo yun. Kanya-kanya kasi ng blessings, di ba?
Opo.
Hindi naman pwede parang nag-aagawan.
Hindi pwedeng pare-pare. Maraming blessings na pwede ibigay sa atin. Focus tayo sa blessing natin.
Ayun.
Doon naman sa mga parang major concerns or mga issues na nilalapit sa inyo ng inyong mga client, ano po yun?
Wala pa naman, major is pag lean season, of course, mababa ang mababa ang sales. We just try to explain to them, and give them ideas also what to do during this lean season. Siguro ang pinaka-struggle or pinaka-challenge talaga namin are really dealing with the owners. Kasi iba-iba sila, and with all due respect to the owners, of course, they have their own way of wanting to run the business. But lagi nga namin sinasabi, especially yung managing director namin, lagi niya sinasabi na ayaw namin na hayaan lang kayo to decide if alam naming hindi naman mag-work. Kasi parang para saan pa yung binabayad nyo sa amin
yung kinuha
kung
kayo.
hindi naman namin bibigyan ng justice yung mga alam namin para ituro sa inyo.
So, dapat hindi kayo pwedeng mahiyain na,
Hindi po.
ma'am, hindi po ganyan.
Actually, we try to find a balance na yung gusto nila
Parang meet halfway.
Yes, yung gusto
Oo.
nila ma-implement natin in such a way na alam namin na yun yung tamang way of implementing it.
Kasi syempre, yung mga may-ari, decision makers yan eh.
Oo.
Minsan parang, ito yung gusto ko talaga. Pero may mga ganun ba talaga, ma'am, na hard
Oo, meron.
situations na talaga ayaw talaga nilang papigil.
Oo, meron. So, pagka ganun, ma'am, sige, let's try it. Pero para at least makita rin nila na the beauty of having a property management company who manages the operations for them.
Tapos parang nung nagkahirap-hirap na, babalik na naman sa inyo.
Opo. Ganun talaga. Ay, ganun naman ata talaga.
Opo.
You cannot really
Ano
satisfy
yung best part
everyone.
ng pagiging property manager o sa ganitong hospitality management?
Yung fulfillment namin is at the end of the day, we see that the vision of the owners are coming into life. And they are earning, no? Yung expectations nila is being met or even exceeded. And also, yung isa pa ang a fulfillment for us, especially for me as an HR person, is we give work, no? We give livelihood to the people in the properties that we handle. So, hindi lang kami, nagkakaroon sila ng means of living and then they provide for their families.
Ito po ka-partner, how do you see the future of hospitality in the Philippines in the next 5 years or 10 years from now?
Marami na dyan AI. So I think mag-focus sila on AI,
Yes.
more tourists to come in. Although magiging different different segments kasi before Koreans ang yung marami dito, Chinese, no. I think the hospitality industry in 5 years here in the Philippines, especially with some islands na untapped na nag-grow na ngayon, will be bigger than the usual. And I think there will be more opportunities for our mga kababayans to have work in the hospitality industry. Even if there's AI, different pa rin kasi if there's a personal touch.
Yes.
Different pa rin kasi if you interact.
Engagement.
Yes, you
Oo.
interact with a
Yes.
live person. Kasi tayo naman, we are, 'di ba? We're human beings and we
Yes.
like interactions rather than just AI.
And yung mga Pinoy known sa ganyan, kahit sa
Yes.
abroad.
Yes,
Diba?
that's
Yung
true.
hospitality
Nandun
talaga.
talaga our nurses, no? Number one tayo sa mga nurses natin eh. And siguro in the hospitality industry also, I see more sustainable hospitality. So, marami na dyan yung gusto nilang maging solar panels, ang mag-run ng electricity nila, mas eco-friendly na sila.
Yeah,
So instead of
sustainable.
bottled water, na lang siya, mga refillable, di ba? Para we help also Mother Earth kasi siya naman umiikot yung hospitality industry.
Yes.
Doon sa mga gustong kunin ng inyong mga services, paano kayo kontakin?
You can contact us, ma'am, at 09911-678-523. We also have our social media accounts in Facebook. It's Approach Hospitality Management, TikTok, Instagram, and our website at www.approachhospitality.com.
Ayun. I-screenshot nyo na mga kapartner ha, dun sa mga gustong magtayo ng kanilang sariling hotels, wellness centers. Ano ba ang dapat na paghandaan ng mga magiging soon-to-be owners ng hospitality industry?
Siyempre, ma'am, kapital.
Capital. Number
Kasi
one.
hindi biro
Oo.
ang magtayo ng
Yes,
hotel, no?
oo.
And you have to
Yung maintenance pa lang.
Yes. You have to have the right business model also, I think. And you have to have the right partner to manage or to help you build your hotel.
And the right people.
Yes, the right people.
Oo. So yun mga kapartner, hindi basta-basta. So kung papasok kayo sa ganitong industry, pag-aralang mabuti.
Or contact us, Approach Hospitality.
Ayan! Lumapit na sa Approach Hospitality. Any last message po sa ating mga viewers?
Yeah, we would
Baka
like to
meron pang
invite
comments.
everyone to visit our properties. We have 8 properties. That's Soto Grande, Batangas in Bawan, Batangas. We also have Tana Beach Villas in Lian, Batangas. Likha Wellness in Lipa, Batangas. Shepherd Ridge Mountain Resort in Santa Maria, Laguna. Green Nature Resort and Leisure Park in Nagcarlan. The Horizon Hotel in Romblon. The Tribute Hotel in Quezon City. And of course, Monaco Hotel in Taytay, Rizal.
Wow.
And of course, experience the sincere and authentic hospitality from our team.
Ayan.
Basahin na natin ibang comments sa YouTube, mga kapartner. Basahin na natin ibang comments sa YouTube. Ito, nagpapagreet si May Sotelo. Wow, para sa mga mahilig sa travel. May point kayo, ma, mas okay talaga turuan ang may pleasing personality of behavior versus ego and pride. Sabi naman ni Yana Alberto, all your training and experiences will definitely pay off. Congrats. Yung iba, heart lang ang sinend. Si Kathleen Jam de la Serna, ang galing nyo po, ma'am. Saan kayo humuhugot ng inyong motivation?
Family.
Family.
Of course. My son.
Gusto mo siya ang magmana ng iyong talent?
IT siya, ma'am eh. So, pwede na rin.
Pwede na rin.
Basta hospitality.
Oo. Ayan po. So, atin po nakasama si ka-partner Epi Ligaspi ng Approach Hospitality. Sana po ay marami kayong natutunan, mga ka-partner. So, from doon sa cafe, ngayon naman hospitality. Sino kaya ang ating surprise guest bukas? Abangan po ninyo, mga ka-partner. Lahat ng mga patok na kwento, patok na mga negosyo, dito lang yan, mga ka-partner. Kung meron kang alam na kwentong papatok sa isipan ng bawat Pilipino,
Abay, wag niyong itago, kundi dapat ito'y inyong ibahagi at
ipatok na yan. At bago tayo magpaalam, laging tandaan ang sinasabi sa Proverbs
A
10:4.
lazy person will end up poor, but a hard worker will become rich.
Nagpapahirap ang katamaran, ngunit ang kasipagan ay nagpapayaman.
Ayan, ako po si ka-partner Jillian.
Ako naman si ka-partner Wella. Magsalo-salo ulit tayo bukas.
Sa kaparehong oras at himpilan, dito lang sa
Patok, may oportunidad sa bawat katok.
Inyong napakinggan ang iba't ibang kwento at kalaman dito sa programang Patok. Hanggang sa muli, magsama-sama ulit tayo tuwing Lunes hanggang Biyernes, 1:00 hanggang 2:00 ng hapon. Dito lamang sa DZAR 1026 Sunshine Radio Manila.